This is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Behind me, I have a 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen 353 BED. This one is a bunkhouse and it's got 3 different slides. First thing you gotta check out is the pass-through storage. Super huge, lots and lots of space. You got access to your battery disconnect, and you even have a bottle opener there with these outdoor speakers, so while you're hanging out in the pass-through storage, you can still have fun outside. This has got 2 different awnings on, and they both have LED lights. It covers almost the entire rig, so you can party and have fun while you're out here hanging out with the LED lights. You do also, in the back of the coach here, if you follow me, we do have an outdoor kitchen. So this is the prime rig to basically host guests and just have a fun time in. So this has got 2 different entrances, which is a great asset to this trailer. And let's go take a look inside. Super beautiful. As you walk in, you got coat rack. You got a coat rack right here, as well as the controls. You got the one-touch controller up here as well, and the temperature control as well there. Here's the inside. I got a fan up there, which is really nice. Some nice accent lighting throughout the coach. And if you go right here, you can see the big pantry that we got here. Look at that. So spacious. You can even put decorations up there on the top, make it your own, and super homey. Super beautiful. I love this layout. Then we go into this kitchen area here. Nice countertops. You got the double door fridge right here, which has a lot of space in there, both for the fridge and the freezer. Then you also have ample drawers for your utensils or any other things that you put in the kitchen. Super beautiful, even on this side too. Just lots and lots of space for your pots and pans and things. It's got your microwave, your 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as the oven. And you have space to store more pots and pans just down there. Super beautiful. And it's on the slide out, so it gives you a little bit more room in the kitchen. Lots and lots of space. So right here, you also got your entertainment center, the Sansui TV, as well as the radio and the fireplace, which is really, really convenient. You also have that decorative shelf up there, so all for the ladies up there, if you want to go ahead and put your flowers or plants, succulents, anything like that, you can totally do that. You got your dinette right here, as well as the couch. Like I said, it's very spacious and very comfy. This and the dinette does convert into sleeping spaces, so if you want to host a lot of people for those parties that you're gonna have, you can do so. Let's go to the back of the coach into the bunkhouse now. First thing as you notice in the bunkhouse, it's also got a big screen Sansui TV. Super nice, convenient, and you even have the bunk in the up position right now. You can go ahead and unhook these and then just lay it flat, and you also got a bunk right there. You even got a bunk right up here. You got the ladder, which is really, really sturdy, so all the kids that want to climb can do so safely. And you have just a lot of space up here. You have a window, as well as some electronic outlets and USB ports. So all the kids that want to come and hang out in the bunkhouse, you can totally do that. And even up here, check this out. You can even put more storage there. I'm telling you, man, this is a really nice rig. You even got a half bathroom right here. So if your kids are just like, hey man, I need to go to the bathroom, but you don't want them to go over there, they can just have their own. Nice little half bath. And it does come into the second door. So as you see right there, the second entrance is right there. So that's really nice. And you can even have more privacy for the kids if you want it. Super nice coach, guys. I love this one. Now let's go to the front of the rig to go and show you the master bedroom and the bathroom. Check that out. Nice walk-in shower. Got space for storage. You even got a fantastic fan right up there on the top. Super beautiful. Come check out this bedroom. Hey, look at that. Nice king size mattress It does come with an AC in this room as well as in the bunkhouse. So 2 different ACs. You got space to store stuff, your shoes, arsenal, anything like that. The springs do bear all of the weight for the bed, so you don't have to be strong to lift this up. You even got a dresser right here. You can even put your clothes and other stuff in here. Just super nice. It's even got this window and the 2 little windows on the side. You even got this washer and dryer hookup that you can put into this Heritage Glen, and ample space for storage. Clothes, you can go for long camping trips if you want in this type of coach, guys. So this one's a super beautiful rig. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, feel free to call me. My name is Kyle, and we're here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.